Every team pushes code, but nobody really knows where the time goes. That's what we built Optimal Insights for, to give you the truth behind how your team actually ships. My name is Mano, and I'm part of the founding team here at Optimal AI. Let me show you what you get inside the platform. Right after you sign up, you don't have to configure anything complicated. If you signed up with GitHub, your GitHub connection's already live, and Insights will start pulling data automatically. So within a few hours, you'll start to see your first few dashboards fill in. Once the data starts flowing, the first thing you'll see is how fast work really moves. After Insights has some time to collect some data, one of the first views that comes to life is the PR cycle time view. Basically, how fast work moves from first commit to merge. You can see exactly how long PRs stay open, where reviews slow down, and where rework keeps happening. Instead of wondering why things are stuck, you can instantly spot what's slowing you down and fix it. And as you can see, the PR cycle time view has a lot of data in it. Let's take a closer look at what all that data actually means. Up here, you can switch between teams or individuals. This helps you benchmark how fast each team is moving and spot which repos or squads are shipping the fastest. You can even filter across repositories or date ranges to see trends week over week or quarter over quarter. The main metric card shows your team's average cycle time, plus the breakdown of time to open, time in review, and time to merge, so you know exactly where the slowdowns happen. Once your team starts using tools like Copilot, this view becomes even more interesting. You'll actually see how your merge times and review speed change before and after AI adoption. And if you wanted to dig deeper, you can use the filters and quick highlights at the top, like longest review time, most discussions, or most check failures to instantly surface PRs that need attention. The goal here is to uncover exactly what's helping your team move faster and where friction still lives. So if you wanted an overview of what's happening, that's where AI Insights comes in. Instead of just showing you data, Insights automatically surfaces patterns, like teams with rising review wait times, repos with the highest rework, or changes in delivery pace week over week. It's like having an engineer analyst built right into your dashboard. AI Insights highlights the why behind your metrics, so you can focus on action, not analysis. Now that you've got both the numbers and the context, let's look into how your team's rhythm plays out week to week. This is your activities view, and it shows the rhythm of your team's week, from commits, reviews, merges, all in one calendar. You'll quickly see those midweek spikes when everyone's reviewing, or those slow Fridays when everything piles up. This helps you understand the flow of your team, because once you know your rhythm, you can balance the load and keep momentum steady. Once you know how your team works day to day, the next step is to understand where they're investing their time. This is the distributions view, and it's one of the fastest ways to see where your team's time is actually going. It breaks down engineering effort, how much work is going into features, bugs, tech debt, or security fixes, all pulled straight from your GitHub labels. Here's the cool part. It's a day zero view. If your team already uses consistent labels, just label PRs or issues as tech debt, security, new feature, or bug, and Insights automatically categorizes everything. You'll instantly see what percentage of your time is forward progress versus maintenance. Maybe you're shipping tons of features, but QA debt keeps creeping up. Either way, now you know. Most teams realize they're spending way more time on cleanup than they thought, and that's where the real improvement starts. If you're a modern engineering team, you likely use AI within your workflow, and that's where our next view comes in. This is our AI adoption view, and it tracks how much of your engineering output is assisted by AI, using tools like GitHub Copilot or similar extensions. You can see adoption trends, how often AI-generated code is being committed, and which teams are leading or lagging in usage. This is great for team awareness. For engineering leaders, it helps answer, is AI actually helping us move faster? Which teams are getting the most leverage, and where can we expand AI adoption safely? These metrics are unique to Optimal Insights. They give you a clear, data-backed view of how AI is impacting your engineering org. So after using Insights consistently for a few weeks, you'll have a full picture on speed, rhythm, focus, and AI adoption, all benchmarked automatically. Most teams never see an honest snapshot of how their eng orgs actually ship. But now you do. You know your average cycle time, your review speed, where things get stuck, and where your team's time is really going. From there, it's all about improving predictability and freeing up your engineers' time to focus on building. So that's a quick look at Optimal Insights, built for teams that want clarity and efficiency. Connect your GitHub, unlock your first dashboard, and see where your engineering time really goes. You can book your demo right now at getoptimal.ai to get a personalized walkthrough and see your own metrics live. Thanks for being here, and hope to see you in the app.